But here force a higher daily update TV. So any day they can over her. Make sure better if you subscribe button no so Eddie mama now if you into tap on the notification bell on the send away also submit my all the new updates at the channel so more when you go on Ghanaian politics. My son should be say back share video so be like it. Now I share Eddie mama. That's all watching trivia and so if video one do comment section beje ni akan so Eddie mama. Some may am no the case de net ya who kwan Ghana fu nyina enya so mo de koto mapa eyi omo president for the next 4 years now no so ebedu omo so na some am no de case de me do ko various polling centers about one ekoso any nioma ekoso ho aye pese mu nyina nso mu hu bi na mote ne ekoso various polling centers some de se me do kopiem ewo Okaikwei South ade a omache car bi a nkrofo bi ene woma hopefully susu say omo ye affiliated to the current government which is the NPP na omo koye hwehwemu ewo omo ka mu no omo kohwe ya already printed ballot papers ya print ya stamp paper omia enim say pan and egu ka enim say bocho na some yam no dey say dey hofo dey bufu eyisa already printed ballot papers nyina gu abonten atese akoye beja ewo Okaikwei South as am no dey say sanso na wo pm ewo atwoma ofu asen so o ma che ya brand ba akubia ono so e ba se okwakoto na aba no ono so kita already fake printed ballot papers aya makuma sa 76 anka police for anso no montemanko no so e de kwakoshe ballot ballot boxes nim se na be o mo de be this election e de ama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia se Ghana fo nyina beka ya this year ye celebrate Easter ya de abran champon ejina simpie so ka say this 2024 election send this for pill so mumpo enya dia se Ghana fo mpo etu abanama wo ma be declare moving at that enya dia happening inti samre ya nioma we nyina ekoso polling centers ahodo nyina Ghana fo nyina ebisa say inti nioma we ya nioma NPP fo nyina etena ase arrange say de be elections na amom ho ana ye kwhwe these two videos amena oka ho asem na ye ba edemu ntwentwemu enso ebeka ho
Microphone
Tumfutro edi mi ma bonten kra mechanic and say bia o mehu fake military officer ba ko bi e wo various videos ayetimi anya dia to the screens so omonhwe does it mean say hierarchy now all the woman no this a press release by have they show concern e wo the military officers here pia bonten mo ye.
Well, I think it must be a joint police and military affair. A joint police and military affair in the sense there. Say police sojeyin oko no koye okokosi any crime that undermine the peace and security of the country. A police for one kwado beche no.
Okay.
Yes, through the unit command or through the the military command. They will have to communicate with and arrest the police officer. They have that right. In the next year, no, obviously, we are still having our investigation. We are still and up to now, no, those investigations, most of the results are hidden. So clearly, this are the time we need to find out those investigations no more. Have they liaised with the military hierarchy? What are they saying? Is the person a military officer? Because this is not the first issue. There have been incidents, military soldiers who have indulged themselves in other characters. Police, they intend to investigate, but the result is yet not out.
Okay, Mr. Akroma, so what your mama na yenko tie time na Brian Champon Kwau Abetifi member of parliament Dima NPP Amonjoko no Bra no waka nsem ewo abato aye ba betwe ho yenko tie Brian Champon bra.
Sir Easter eguna yewoi na efieda ana yebo Yesu asemiam ochina obesori intiana de point dem say de pebi ayaka ana ho pa ya ana mijina camera for the movie and in the avenue back at you. Africa said, and the can say, NDC Pro, Omupo 2024, about Omu winning there. Omu winning. Now, what we hear about, Yedimona, what we hear about Yedimona,
yanko tesi emrasesi ya ni Kasim enkodi nkomo tesi mangwase yenya ntie se eye okoboy adi military vans aba be wura ho Kasim se wote nka me makwa baba election power house
mejemo so nia
den ena ekoso e wo tesi mangwase ba bia wo sesi a
as part of my rounds no me free first dance na me wura tesi ma me do mangwase e won say soldier car minu apaki do pickup name minu ena da pickups no minu ba ko ye ni o ma cover ni bi ena ba ko ti say Navara pickups ni na numbers be ma first as na ba kan the first one ye 44 G8 29 ena second car no ye 39 G8 61
but Kasim sika numbers ni ma bio
44 G8 29 and 39 G8 61.
Okay, 2 hours.
Now, soldier for 8 and 2 cars. Now, Omukita Aba K. Yedi near Bibia rap 1 Mabana black and it's almost like kita to M16 raffle at the police station. Me no kata oma teni kote mami anka oma teni was teshi Salem omu ra teshi mami ankasa. What is happening? The Teshi police commander, is police really on top of this election? These people need to be driven away from this constituency because they're spring the barracks. What is happening? Okay? One videos mistake attached them. How many people can they kill? They shouldn't try this thing, you know. We know all what they want to do, but they shouldn't try it. All our eagles are on them. But we are telling them the military command, they are close to they should call these people to order. They should call them. They should call them because this evening, because we will not allow what they want to do here. No way.
Na omukuta kutetuo ene ma said ya woka na pepepe
Ken and omode bibia rap Ken no ho kwamna ni West Africa no mo kitetuo takita Ken why on election day what is happening what is happening?
Okay Kasim ya be sure say bomodian na for wani di akire Kasim for wani di akire pa de beto for mbia no bomodian na sign fa Fabadum ye ne FM for near for. Why? Mr. Kwei,
right.
before I ne Kasim Kokasan ye Brand Champon. Share semwa ojina stage so. Ekeka ya bepem ne bibi biara antono. Ozi say to me no motesu nti amase say one more security no ye de omo pe bia na.
Me never ma say share the security philosophy of this current Nanado-led president government. We call them the realist security, they are the realists. And realism or one of the philosophy in security studies. One they deal with power dynamics. So what the realist says there, power. And anything you can do to have power is what they know. That is the realists. They are not the liberal people. Realists, power. Into Ute Banachamp on Asam no Kena. He's power overdrunk. And they think say they can do everything because of the philosophy they are using, power. And anything that, even if it will take them to kill, that is how the realists, behave.
And until a year Tachima 2020 about one, ye kunipa, bepim ne omunchadanka who be
Very good example. Very good example. I've given you the theory, and you should tell you that it's power. And when I say the realists, they mean for power. So even if they will kill, they don't care. And the critical example is what you have given. Look, even we share conflict management here with respect to Boko. It's the realist approach. Really, everything realist. Either they want balance power no, or they want to win it. And make that one balance power now. Say Eban is one of powerful. Okay, you way so you're powerful now when you compete.
Yes.
Then they have won it. Or let's make sure that he's more powerful than him. They have won it. And the power, Usha realists now, they always want to use the brutality approach. Brutality, anything bloody. That is all they know, anything bloody. And they will influence with money. Because the resources are there. And to share them statement from Bernard Champon, the very day he made that statement, I stated it clearly that police must put surveillance on him. Because they have to assess him, because those statements not making it's a threat statement to the state. And what it means is that they have to assess him, the capability, the resource. He has the resource. He has the resource to what? To train guys. And obviously those intelligence we had from Charlie Aochese, these are some of the guys that were grooming. We have seen a lot of videos and intelligence that shows even boys are almost selling pure water crown have been given police uniform. And these are clear issues that are threat to the state of the peace and security of the state. Ghana is one. My good brother, this election is very important. And I can tell you on authority there, this is one of the election citizens are forced to make sure they will lay their life to make sure they protect their ballot box.
Very well.
And ballot papers.
Very well. Mr. Akwei.
Intiative say the muhu video no Akroma for ase ana ye hu say yati abrantie ba kwa ye dia banka ba egu ne sa dendende because of say ono nko ni papa ko ikita already printed ballot papers mako 76 senka police for amomoni ana honte manko de kwako wura ballot boxes ni media roge elections no ama ne political party ababe win ne sa media yankopon edinkunim ama NDC fo nyina sa media yaso abranti ade ne kwakotum police for and so asem dibia sa so na asem de kopiem ye Okaikwei South nso so ya de a omache nkrofo bi nso so a na omosusu se omo ye NPP for na afi omo ye omo investigation hu so hu video no mabahu se omo ko bi omo kai mu that pickup na chi ni inside nyina full of fake already printed ballot papers ya tapi and I say ya printed ba omia anim ya voting ase Nankopon so ama ye hu sankofu we nyina anko so ekwa ura ballot boxes nim amate so modi arrogate this election ama ho ya this election dey and this for say omo makwan obebia emma kofu we enrogate elections no emfa mo ho wabra achire nkofo besa be ka this for say omo choba na mo kra enya de protect omo so this time around they are very determined omo agent nyina are very vigilant omo kita ego eye omo di bibia chi pepepepe ehwe ni pe bi o suspicious bia because I be because so any person bia or looking a suspicious person be a video and as a reporting in term informal police na samedi ejidi ye pass a new me kwaso wano se na ebe ya ye bibia abekọ na we na transparency abem na e declare the wo win abano esoso e dia man ama bibia kwaso wano ye mpentokwa nti nneoma na yakwaso abatu no ase no e ya de esese e police fo e ye ntem no stop sa nneoma na nyina sa amna de ka se e ya de a omachi eye Omachiche chenkofu bebe sanso na akọ mia bebe so omotutututu ho basabasa ebi mpu ama samre ebe mpu da so eda ayaresa bia omoji ayarehwe eyade agana for a peaceful country da bia the peace no eyade de hwahwaye ho na so e kama say yekoto ababia na ayete se de ehu ne ntokwa bia say ye pese ye create war emfama ye man a ye friend asumdie man so sinya de this time ready Ghana for ebe penesa anima so we are fighting to take back our country in a peaceful way. And now they betting near my beer. This government, ebeyen, edi arrogate this election, edi amom, or molusu, or munkufi, no monquatinam. At if we, basis on your subscriber, I measure so better than a subscriber to so ediam, nothing sort of on the notification bell on the Senate. On soon submitting account, all the latest update at the Bema or channel you see. Basically, at the end of my crown so.